Micah chapter 6 to 8. Act justly, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God. This passage deeply speaks to me because it reminds me that living with purpose is not about recognition or achievements, but about choosing kindness, fairness, and humility every day. It made me reflect on how easy it is to overlook the struggles of others when life becomes busy or overwhelming. I realized that genuine compassion requires effort and sincerity. This verse encouraged me to become more mindful of my actions, words, and decisions, especially in situations where someone may feel unheard, judged, or alone. It reminded me that even small acts of understanding and mercy can make a meaningful difference in another person's life. In Module 4, I started with the Laudare activity by personally reflecting on the commitment to human rights, justice, and peace. During the prayer space activity, I felt a sense of calm and honesty within myself. It gave me time to pause and think about how these values should not remain as simple ideas, but should be reflected in my daily behavior and treatment of others. I became more aware that promoting peace begins with self-awareness, patience, and compassion. In the Benedicere activity, I created a BEC commitment connected to the 10-point Dominican commitment together with my BEC members. While doing this, I reflected deeply on the importance of protecting human dignity and standing for fairness, especially for people who are often ignored or misunderstood. This activity made me realize that faith is not only about belief, but also about action and responsibility to others. Lastly, while completing the Predicare Mastery Quiz activity, I was challenged to think more critically about my role in the society. It encouraged me to reflect on how my choices, attitudes, and actions can influence the people around me. Receiving the Dominican badge felt rewarding because it symbolized not only academic accomplishment, but also personal growth and a stronger commitment to live with empathy, justice, and integrity. Module 4 became a meaningful journey of self-reflection and growth for me. It helped me understand that human rights, justice, and peace are not simply topics discussed inside the classroom, but values that must be practiced sincerely in everyday life. Through the prayers, reflections, and activities, I became more conscious of the kind of person I want to become. Someone who listens with empathy, treats others fairly, and chooses compassion even in small situations. There were moments during the module that made me reflect on my own shortcomings and realize that creating a peaceful and just community starts with personal accountability. I learned that standing for the truth and showing kindness are sometimes difficult, especially when faced with challenges or misunderstandings. But these actions are necessary to inspire positive change. More than anything, this module reminded me that even simple acts of care, respect, and understanding can leave a lasting impact on others. It strengthened my belief that living with humility, compassion, and courage can help me a more humane and hopeful community.